this report should be a real shock to all Canadians that this kind of behaviour, this kind of acceptance and condonation of sexual assault, sexual harassment, what the Madame Deschamps calls sexualization within the entire military culture, is a real shock. It's a profoundly fundamental disregard for the rights of women in our society, and to have that going on in our military with a hierarchy whereby the power relationships are so strong is and the understanding seems to be within the military that this was just a reflection of society. Well, society has moved on. If it's such a serious systemic problem throughout the military, from the bottom to the top, then how many more women have to be victims of sexual assault or abuse before this military is able to change its culture? That's not something that's going to happen overnight. They're clearly failing to treat this as a major crisis of human rights and women's rights.
There is real work to be done. These are serious recommendations. They will require resources. The government has actually had this report for more than 2 months, and yet there wasn't a dime in the budget to show that they are serious about taking action on this completely unacceptable situation.